Hello students, throughout the last year, you are working hard to get that great success in your first public exam. And to get that great success, WGT has come up with an innovative tool called as AMFM, a move towards full marks. Now you all know that in mathematics you can get full marks both in algebra as well as geometry. So now let us see what exactly we are supposed to do to get that great success in geometry. So here is a subject, that is your maths part 2, we are going to see now. What exactly we are going to do in these remaining days, let's see that. In these last few days, we need to work smartly, and here is a roadmap for your smart study to get that great success. Hello students, now let us see the schedule for your part 2 maths, that is geometry. Every Monday you are going to start with the chapter number 1, that is first you read the theory of geometry, chapter number 1, along with the theorems and the properties. So remember, the first part will be reading the theory and the theorems. Probably you will take around 30 minutes to go through all these points. And obviously, start solving these examples, say approximately in next 2 hours. Now, two things are very important, students. Whatever problems we might have asked you to solve, it is not necessary that you should solve only these problems or just these problems. Whichever problems you find difficult, you should solve those problems also. And point number 2, you know that some of you must be having old book and some of you may be having new book. So these numbers are according to the old book. So this is very important. So shortly I am going to discuss the other chapters also, but this is very important. So again repeating, these are the numbers according to the old book. Moreover, if you think that a particular problem is easy for me, you just leave it, and a particular problem which is not written here but is important and difficult for you, you can solve those problems. Okay? So going to the next part now. Now here you can easily see that I have not covered all the problems because the first chapter is a lengthy one. Now going to the next. On the next day you begin with the chapter number 2. Again a very lengthy chapter. So obviously start with reading the theory and the theorems. Probably this will take approximately 20 minutes. And once again start solving the examples mentioned here. Again repeating, these are the numbers according to the old book. Probably solving all these problems will take around 4 hours. Already we have said that this is a very lengthy chapter. Now, after completing your second chapter, go to the next one, which is your comparatively a very easy chapter, that is Geometry 3. So read the theory of it, say in approximately 10 minutes. And obviously start drawing the constructions for the chapter. For drawing these constructions, probably you will take 1 hour. And then start with the remaining part of your chapter 1. Read the theory as well as these theorems. So probably it will take 20 minutes. And start solving these examples. While solving these examples, again the same thing, that if you think that I can solve a particular problem, skip it. If you think that this problem, though it is not given, I should solve it, do solve that problem. Okay? Probably this will take this much time, that is around 2 hours.